Today I'm going to show you what I pack for a 7-day trip in the Patagonia Mini MLC. And I've been using this bag for years in black, but this is actually a new color that I had to pick up. This is the Noble Gray. And this is a carry-on. So the bag is basically one main area here, and it does come with a mesh divider, but if you didn't know, you can zip it and tuck it into the bottom. So the bag's actually pretty tall, so what I like doing is stacking everything vertical, as you can see here. Honestly, here it's probably starting to get really tight, so I had to put some of my socks on the top. And same with the toiletry bag. I mean, there's a little bit of space. I just had to push the stuff down. And this is my underrated packing item. It's Codenames. If you've ever played this board game, I just put it into a smaller case. So super underrated because there's a lot of downtime in hotels and stuff, especially if you travel with people. And this quick access pocket is actually pretty large, like you can see it fits my whole hand. But I just usually put a couple things in there, so I did not fill this up all the way. And this is a Bluetooth receiver that you can use on the airplane. This is a 27-ounce clean canteen. And this is the back tech area. It has a lot of organization, but I usually don't pack out too much because the main area is packed out. And depending on where you go, this is the plug converter. So I fit about 6 full changes of clothes, plus a 7th that I'm wearing on the airport with a jacket usually because it's bulky. In reality, you can fit about 6 days, or if you wear your stuff twice, you can go for 2 weeks. So it's a small bag, but it holds a ton. Anyways, thanks for watching. See ya.